Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present a beautiful line dance. It's called Shades 7. The song is Never, the artist is FEL Davis, and the choreography is Candy Sweet Feet. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in our beautiful city, New Orleans, Louisiana, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Yes, that's next year, but it'll be here before you know it. You can book your hotel right now, and also registration rolls out this year, June 1st, 2023. Please visit our website for detailed information, www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here we go.
Baby, I just wanna tell you that I just wanna be your lover because of everything that you are to me and everything you do for sugar. You keep holding on and I don't see nothing wrong, but I can't figure out why you're loving me. You give me so much love. I never had nobody know you. Never.
so smooth. So guys, make sure you check out the step-by-step instruction and check out the NOLA Southern Experience. www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.